Hi guys, welcome to TCR, the Crouch Ranch. Today we're going to be showing you how we put together these hygiene kits for those in need and some of the people that were involved and why we do it and how we do it. So stick around.
Got a bar of soap. We've got some feminine hygiene products. We've got a toothbrush there wrapped in a Ziploc bag. And we've got some razors. We've got a comb, a pair of socks.
They're all done.
I feel like I'm just a transitional person now. I'm not a toothpaste, I just think. You're in transition now?
Casey Withers in the house.
Hi guys.
Casey!
Woo-hoo.
Frankie, how many bags we got?
Over 100.
Over 100? That's good math.
This is gonna grow.
Okay.
It's a new group.
With all those three bags.
It's not about how, it's not the most people, it's the right people.
Right.
He said you have the right people here, and so
Right.
that's good.
And we did, you know, I think that you could do more information so that helps get us more stuff.
Yeah.
Make more
How do you
kits.
know?
So you sell them.
Have we had a deodorant, Frankie? Like starting now, there's no deodorant?
46 bags.
Really? There's plenty of toothbrushes.
We saw that separately.
So,
You want me to tell, so I'll make a suggestion, just what we used to do with that stuff?
what do you do with that?
Is pack, so when you, as you run out of things, then just continue to pack bags, but lesser bags. So they're kind of like, it's what's left, right? So lesser bags. Or you can just take items and separate them by all razors, all deodorant, all whatever's left, tampons, whatever. And then when you go, then you might have a woman that takes a bag and says, oh my goodness, this is great that you have feminine hygiene products, and then I have all these friends that, and we don't have any of this stuff, and
Right.
blah, blah, blah. Then you just take a handful of hygiene products and put them in her bag, and off she goes. Or you got a guy that's like, oh, my buddy's been asking me about a razor, but it's gonna take him 10 razors to shave, ha 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 ha. And then put some extra razors in. Like that's what we used to do, was just have extra bags of stuff. We always had extra socks.
We
Dude,
have extra socks.
And so
DJ came through, man.
of course he did.
Yeah.
And as soon as I saw him post on the thread, I was like, well, you're about to have more socks than you know what to do
Well,
with.
you know what happened was, so
I just have to be home in time to watch SpongeBob live. Tonight. You know it's on Nick tonight. It's tonight on Nick. You know this, right? I cannot wait for this. I'm so excited.
When you say home, where's home right now?
Home right now is the 4-Point Sheraton
Oh, perfect.
in Kearney Mesa.
Nice.
I took it right back to where I used to, 2 blocks from where I used to live when I first moved to San Diego.
What's going on right here? Are these all bags that are ready?
bags.
We just stopped because there was a conversation happening about no.
Running out of stuff.
Gotcha.
I'm just closing it.
And there's.
Are
Are you the head counter, Frankie?
We have 161.
That's a good run right there.
That's a nice haul.
Right?
That's a nice haul.
Out of comb.
So that'll be the last bag then.
Yeah, that
And
one.
then we'll.
That's the last bag.
And then also,
65,
We
166.
will.
sorry, it's wet.
166?
166.
166!
Sorry to give you a
166.
soggy.
It's wet.
It's Hey guys, so as you can see, we have just spent the last couple of hours here packing some kits, and these hygiene kits are going to get donated to a couple different places that we're going to be distributing them at. One is for vets that are in transition, getting off the streets, and another one is a local program that does some outreach. And I want to thank BJ at the California Sock Company for donating 240 socks, a whole
240 pair of socks.
240 pairs.
That's 480
480 socks. You know what I meant, right? A lot of socks.
Lot
It's
of
gonna be a lot
socks.
of dry feet, which is really, really good, especially this time of year where everything's wet and cold. And of course, we want to thank Casey for starting this initially and letting us take over the San Diego chapter now that he's moved on.
Bigger, better places, right?
I don't know. Everything's bigger in Texas.
Right?
But awesome job by Crouch Ranch. We couldn't have asked for a better group of people to kind of carry this forward into the future. There's only a small group of us here of what's left. A lot of people have already dispersed after their fingers got tired from packing baggies full of stuff. As you can see, garbage bags on garbage bags. There was a total count of almost 200 hygiene kits distributed. Plus there's additional money that's been donated going forward. The more people that they can reach out to and touch, and the more lives that they can impact, the bigger this has the opportunity to grow. So they're doing good things in the community. Ramona is an incredible place, close knit, and so to have all of the community coming together and working forward on a project like this that benefits not just Ramona, but it benefits the entire county of San Diego. It's good stuff. So make sure you're doing your part to help out. There's going to be a call to action. Sid's going to put that out probably in this video. Just make sure you guys are contributing what you can to help out. Doesn't have to be monetary. It can be donated items that get mailed or forwarded. But whatever you can do to help. So thank you very much, and good job, Crouch Ranch.
Yes, and you guys, a lot of our viewers contributed to the GoFundMe, which allowed me to go buy even more stuff to make more kits. So thank you guys for watching and hitting that button so that we could get all of these kits made and we can get them out into the hands of the people that need them.
And there is a link to the GoFundMe account in the description below. And no matter when you watch this video, whether you watch it the day we post it or 5 years from now, that GoFundMe link will be the link for that year's running.
Because this is something we
event.
do every year, so it'll just roll over to the next season when we get ready to pack them all up again. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and make sure you check out the link below to contribute so you can be part of the TCR Gives Back as we continue to move forward.
That house shined with love as they conquered their fear. From a boy to a man in just 18 short years. On graduation day, he was ready to leave, with stars in his eyes and stripes on his sleeve. He cleared his young voice, said, "This is my choice. My country is waiting for me. Dad, I hope I'm strong enough. God, I pray I'm brave enough. I hope I can carry the load in that moment of truth, when the whole world is counting on me. You taught me to never give in, even when I'm afraid I can't win. I hope I can be all I can be. I hope I'm strong enough." And days turn to weeks, and the weeks into months, and the wandering tore them apart, till that soldier arrived to knock on their door, with his hand pressed against his heart. Said it's because he was strong enough, because he was brave enough, because he could carry the load. In that moment of truth, I'm standing before you now, when we felt like giving in. He pulled us together again, and I owe my life to him. seem strong enough. The soldier